Hi guys, welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman and this 2025 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk that we just got in for stock. You'll see it's in this really nice light blue color with the silver accenting and is on the galvanized trailer. As we hop towards the back here, you'll see we did option this boat with the teak accent package, so that gives us the teak here on the swim step as well as on the port and starboard side. It's a nice boarding step. We've also optioned the ski tow arch paired with the Mercury 4-stroke 115. So a great power package, and then gives you the ability to tow a tube or a skier or something like that. Hopping aboard this Boston Whaler 170 Montauk here, we've got a couple notable options on this particular unit. I already talked about the ski tow bar and the 115. We have equipped this boat with the optional aft jump seats, which can be removed for 2 more rod holders. Underneath our 4-position lounger as standard, we did option the live well in here, which does have an aerator. Really great setup. Go ahead and push this forward. And then up here at the helm, we did option all of the electronics available on this boat. So we've got a Simrad NSX screen, we've got a Simrad VHF over here on your starboard side, and then a JL audio head unit to match up with all your speakers. In addition to that, we've done the bimini top on this boat, which should give you that much more coverage when you're out on the water, as well as the fishing package, which is going to include 4 rod holders up here, as well as your igloo cooler with the seat. Another great space to sit up on the boat. Speaking of seating, we also did the bow cushion up here and the trolling motor pre-wire for those of you looking to fish some more. If you guys like this boat and want to come check it out, stop by our showroom in Cornelius or check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.